Charlie, 13 to 15 clover. You see they're trimming the trees as we speak. This is the number 15 side. The inspector's on the other side, so here we go. Look, bless our home with love and laughter. Looks good. Floors look good. A few things in here, but nothing that should stop it from renting. Closet. And into the kitchen. I think that border was here when before you bought it. You got some bait down there, maybe that should be moved. And the basement's kind of stinky smelling. Right now, let's go upstairs. There's a lot of paint on the stairs. I don't know if this is good enough for a handrail. We'll find out soon. A lot of paint on the floors up here. There's a vent that needs to be put in. More bait. I don't know what's up with this tub. And then shelves. See these floors? That's not Hector, that's Mike. Pretty cloud room, but look at that, how that's cut in there. But nothing to stop it from renting again. Closet. Light fixture. Again, paint all over the floor, but there's a light fixture. Big old closet in here. Not a bad color. Oh wow, they cut it in good, didn't they? But you know, should still rent. And that's up to the attic. I might say something about the gaps in the floor. You'll find out shortly. He's right next door. Look, the tree limb's about to come. Okay, Charlie, now we're on the number 13 side. See, there's some of the painting he's talking about. Oh, that's lovely. But other than that, it looks, you know, rentable. And the floors are clean here. Those base cabinets look rough. I mean, maybe you want to paint them a brown and leave those solid. I don't know if that counter, if that'll clean up some. Maybe. Otherwise, good. To the back. Very front room. Again, wonderful paint job. It's all the way around. Need a light bulb. I was just wondering what that was, and it's just loose. Look at that lousy paint job. need to finish painting over on that side. Just paint on this floor, but not as bad as on the other side. The closet, leftover paint. Pastel. Closet. Up to the attic. This is the side that's partially finished. The guy who lived here before he bought it had his sound studio up here, something like that. Looks fine. The closet. I was just leaning on this Charlie and it's a bit loose, so we'll see if he noticed. Okay, then here's the last front bedroom. Some cables coming in. A little bit of paint on the floor, but not as bad as the other side.